Good morning, Candace Carter, Thoughts to Go. You're back to seeing me and not the Barbies. I'm revising things. The Barbies were a little bit too much to do 8 Barbies. After 4 Barbies, I realized I'm losing my watchers. So I've thrown the Barbies out for the present. I may come back and use them at another time. I may not. I haven't decided yet, but what I have decided is to see if I could do these little videos in 2 languages. That means to switch, not to switch within the 3 minutes, but to switch, do 3 minutes German, do 3 minutes English. And a lot of my friends who are not that fluent in English have asked me if I can find another way to do my videos. So this is another revision that's taking place. You will see me again maybe a little bit more. At other times I will show you some things to give you thoughts to think about not just art. Now, I may talk about art a lot, but art's not really my theme. My theme is enhancement of your life. Today, I want to give you a little more introduction to my 2 friends that are up here. This is Duck, and this is Dog. Remember? They've been in some videos before, but I haven't really talked about them a lot. Why am I using stuffed toys? Well, sometimes you want to say a critique on something, and it's kind of a hard critique, and if you can add some humor to it, it often works better. Best example, Charlie Chaplin, the great dictator. The message was clear, and there was a lot of humor in it. So these little guys may sometimes say things that I would rather have them say because it might be a little bit funny, but it still will be true. You know, they have 2 different personalities. Dog is an intellectual who thinks he knows everything about art and the world. Duck's kind of happy-go-lucky guy. He looks at the world, has a totally different approach. So the 2 switch back and forth. So this has been my video about introducing Duck and Dog. Our time is up, guys. So Duck and Dog and Candace say bye-bye.